Today I'm building a real business website from scratch using Verdent AI, an AI code assistant designed to work in parallel with me and keep me in deep creative focus while I'm working. Let's go in! So first you go on verdent.ai. Here we have an overview about the tool. Verdent is an AI native coding partner built to bring the joy back to coding. Instead of context switching between tools, tickets and tabs, I describe what I need and Verdent plans, executes and explains every step right inside my project. Here we have an overview. As you can see on the left you have your tasks, your agent and task changes and your project folder. But let's see it in action. Just download it, install it, and after signing up and open the tool, you're here. You can create a new project, a workspace. You can create multiple workspaces here, but that's fine for now. We can add contexts, we can add images. We can choose from the agent or plan mode, and we have the top models to use like Opus, Sonnet, Gemini 3, GPT 5.2 and more. First, we take the plan agent. We want to create a dog walking service as you see on the top. We want a front end, so we want a web page. And now we have the prompt, a dog walking service website built with Angular 21. That's the newest version. We hop right into the plan mode, helping to create a plan. It helps me turn a concept into a clear, executable build plan, pages, UX flow, content, risk, and next steps. We have some questions here, so we can generate the project better, like which core feature we want. We want a service booking scheduling system. We want a walk-up profiles with ratings. What is the primary target? We want a modern single page with route transitions. What backend we want a RESTful API, and which additional features we want. We want to use the component library Angular Material. We want form validations and reactive forms, and we want a full testing setup with unit tests and end-to-end tests. We can add additional information here, but that's fine for now. We just hit submit. Verdent takes this and creates a full implementation plan for us. He will not only writing our code afterwards, he's planning beforehand all structures, all functions, everything we need for the project. And here is the final plan. We have an overview, like the core architecture. We have a detailed plan, what files will be generated, which services, which components. I'm an Angular expert since 10 years and this looks just amazing. I don't have to think about anything. It's all here. It's perfect. There are also some routes, which stylings he wants to use, the testing infrastructure, like unit tests. He's also generating architecture diagrams ready to use for any documentation for your team. That's just amazing what Verdent does here. We can also edit the script here, like we want Playwright for end-to-end tests, so we adjust the script here. We can also type in a prompt to use Playwright, but that's fine. After we manually or automatically edited our plan here, we are ready to go and hit build. Verdent takes this whole plan and creating the whole project on its own. We have to do nothing here, just sit and wait. In the meantime, we can do a new task in the same workspace or in another workspace, it doesn't matter. We want a website with a powerful design showing the website is under construction. We want also an impressum link. On the left we see we have the dog service task and now the under construction page task. You can do multiple tasks simultaneously. It's easy for Verdent to match that. We get the generated files here. A minute later we have a full functional website here under construction. Powerful design. We have our impressum site here. It's not filled yet. We can now adjust the impressum. We have on the right the project folder where we have the impressum file where we can manually edit it. You can see it's hot reloading, it's working perfectly here. We can also adjust things per prompt, like add this information to the impressum. We hit enter, Verdent analyzes it, editing the right files where he needs to edit it. We can see the changes, how many lines added, how many lines removed, and here we have a perfect overview what has changed. Easy to follow, easy to manage. We can also open this file in the editor and we see he did it perfectly. Back to our Angular dog service. He is finished. We have a look and what we see is just amazing. We have a powerful design, a functional website, animations. We see the transitions not working yet, so we type in we want about us, contact terms of service and privacy policy section. He should use some lorem text. We could also manually edit it like a standard programmer, but we're lazy, we just hit the prompt. and seconds later we have the output. And as you can see, he added the About Us section, he added a contact formula with validations, with fields. What we are still missing is the sign up logic. So we want an existing user admin to log in. As we can see, if we hit login, we have the test credentials here, admin, we hit login, and voila, we have also a little toolbar on the bottom here. We can now log out, we can see our bookings, we have no bookings yet, we can create a new booking, select the walker, date time, dog details. If we want to sign up, we can also do that. He has also a form validation, as you can see here at the password field. And here we are, we sign up, we are logged in as our test user. All functional, all very detailed, very nice to follow. We have to do nothing here. You don't need any experience in programming with Verdent. It just makes it so good automatically. If you want an AI code assistant that builds, plans and fixes software along you in parallel, Verdent is your choice. If you liked Verdent AI, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.